Now I will show you how to operate CBS skin analysis system. After installation the software to your computer, there is a CBS logo on your desk, and double-click it and open it. Input login name and password. The original login name and password both are admin, ADMIN, and log in. Now here you can see 5 buttons on this interface: member, non-member, import products, setting, and close. Firstly, I will show you how to import products to this system. Okay, click add products, and here is the picture of your products. Select a picture. For example, I choose a picture. And classification, input classification moisture, for example, the model, and the name, and the price, for example. And efficacy, here is if your products has some special functions, you can input here. And cost of treatment, this often provided by skin doctors or skin beauticians. And here, if this product has a function of reduce sebum, just mark it, and add moisture, mark it, and reduce pigment, mark it, and elasticity, mark it. Okay, save it and close it. Now setting is about the reason and suggestions of skin problem. For example, moisture settings. The cause of the formation, it means the cause of the dry skin. Now here in this system there are 5 causes of dry skin. How to improve, there are 7 suggestions. All of this information you can change by yourself. And here, name, login name, and password, all of these can be changed. And days ahead of member's birthday, you can set up by yourself. For example, 3 days ahead of member's birthday means 3 days ahead of member's birthday, you can call your member and tell him or her some discount you can give her. And here is the logo settings. Select a picture. Okay. Be sure to click save after each change you make. Okay, close it. Now, member and non-member. The main difference in member and non-member is if you test here, the customer's information include picture, data, results, and other information. All can be installed to this system. If you test someone here, all of the information cannot be stored. For example, non-member. Choose sex, male or female, birthday, in 1988, and analysis. So you can start analysis and close it. Now I will test myself as your member. Okay, add member, number 1, 2, 3, and name, and sex, female, and birthday 1988, and telephone, email address, remarks. Okay, photo, select photo, my computer, select a photo of mine, and save. Now you can start analysis, shooting. When you click shooting, the scope will be light up. And before take picture, please enter into camera options to change the white balance. Be sure the red should be 1.45 and blue should be 1.20. Okay. Now take a picture from my face. Okay, here, freeze and analysis. After analysis, there will be popped up a frame. It's about cause of the formation and how to improve. And here is the product I just import the system. Now close it. And here you can know the sebum grade. Skin oil is missing. The percentage is 3 to 6. Normal oil content is 6 to 7. Okay, mine is 15. 15 is high oil content. Oh, so I should use some products to reduce my oil content. Now remember to click 3D display. Here you can know the roughness of your skin. Move it, and here you can clearly see the roughness of my skin. Okay, close it. Now pigments. Use the same picture to analyze pigment. Also, the system detects my pigment is normal, is in good condition. Please continue to keep. Okay. And here, normal pigment is 20 to 30. Now, collagen fibers. Also use the same picture. And here, cause and improve. And here, normal elasticity fibers is 65 to 80, but mine is 60, so lack of collagen fibers. Elasticity and analysis. Cause of formation and how to improve, and here products. Close it. And here normal elasticity is 50 to 65, but mine is 34, so my skin is very loose. Now pore analysis. Here is a pen. Click it and move the mouse on the screen to mark the pore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 to 5 is okay. And analysis. Okay, system detects my pore is in good condition. I should keep. And acne, because this skin has no acne, so I will take another picture from my face, which includes some acne. Okay, click acne and click this icon to mark it. Also 3 to 5 is okay. Okay, be sure to click save and OK. And now you can close this window. And sensitivity. Now, when you move the mouse to sensitivity and moisture, there will be a reminder. To please rotate the lens to the detection of polarized states. Okay, I should take another picture. Here you can see there is a white ring which can move on the scope. Just turn right side. And freeze it. Now click sensitivity. Here is a pen and a round. If your blood streak is formed line by line, you can use pen to mark it. If the blood streak is formed just like an area surrounded, okay, here. Now this is the data, and save and OK, and close this window. And moisture analysis. Okay, the system detects this item in good condition. It means my skin is in normal moisture content. Normal moisture content is 10 to 15. Okay. Here we test all of these 8 items. Now we should analyze this report. Here are all the information of my skin problem and suggestions. And here, the beautician recommended. For example, collagen should be, should be added or something else. And save it. Now check synthesis report. Here you can see my actual age is 22, but my skin age is 26.5. And here, red line is sebum, this one is moisture, this one is pigment and elasticity and collagen fibers. And this is a straight line. If I have tested my skin for 2 times or more than 2 times, there will be a trend. For example, here, and it will shows directly to your customers that their skin is getting better and better after using your products. Now, here, print. If you want to print this form, just click print, and you should connect the printer with your computer and historic reports. Now save it. You can check historic reports. View. Anytime you can check this report and close it. Now here, if your customer still has some questions about the data and the results of this system, you can click cast contrast, and here good skin is like this, and you can make contrast to your customers, and they will get a direct understanding of why their skin is bad. Okay, close it. Skin knowledge. And here is skin education system. And here you can, if you are less know about skin knowledge, you can check here. Okay. And close it. Now I finished operate this system. Close it and close. Okay, thank you.